Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute house scene with a big tree, a fence, a colorful pathway, and bushes. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. First, we'll start with a light pencil sketch. This will help us know where everything goes. Alright, now it's time to go over our lines with a black marker to make it nice and bold. Start with the triangle roof. Then outline the chimney on top. Draw the wall of the house under the roof. This is going to look great. Next, add a small bush on the left side at the bottom of the house. Draw the door in the center, right under the roof. Add 3 windows, one above the door and one on each side.
La da 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 dee.
Now let's add some fun details to make our house extra cute. Draw a few brick patterns on the wall and the chimney to make it look cozy. Draw a wavy road starting from the door, going down. This will be our pathway. On the right side, draw a fence for our yard. Finally, let's add a big tree behind the fence. Draw the trunk first, then add the leafy top. Our drawing is complete, and it looks amazing. Now let's make it colorful. Start with green color for the tree leaves and bushes. Use brown color for the tree trunk, fence, and some bricks.
Awesome!
Use orange color for the tree trunk and fence. Color the wall of the house yellow for a bright and happy look. Purple color for the roof. And for the chimney top. Indigo color for the door frame. Pink color for the door and window frames. Blue color for the window glasses and the wavy road. And finally, bottle green color for the grass around the house. Wow, look at our colorful house scene. It turned out awesome, didn't it? Great job, everyone. Don't forget to show off your drawings and keep practicing. See you next time on Toddler's Art Hub. Bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.